One of our Yoruba brother don't give Ijele wetin we dey call woto. He say na Ijele na be the pay agent wey dey for inside Igbo land. They try to bring anything concerning Biafra down. I go play the video. May you come hear wetin Ijele talk concerning that time wey the rumor say they don't buy gentle. Listen to this video. May you see the anger wey dey inside this Ijele body. However, watch the full video before we come back and continue. Don't forget to share and follow this page for more updates.
Ijele, have you be that your useless name? You are very stupid and you no go better for any place where you dey. See, let me tell you something. You no go better for you any place where you dey. In case you don't know, this way they shout IPOB, blah blah blah, terrorism, this kind of thing. Now him, the government they use, they hijack all those stuff. Yes, if there are more people, now government they use, go they hijack am. They go do their terrorism finish. They go terrorize particular society, particular community. They go terrorize and finish. Come tag them as IPOB. Now so they do. We know this game. Now this game, you understand those games that they play. But I have to say before people like us, so and many people they advocate for Mazin Abikanu. So now still believe say that Kanu now still terrorists. But I never know say you get wetin we don't see before we stand by Nnamdi Kanu. You get wetin we don't see. Una dey mad. Una dey very useless. And I will ask you question. If to say Nnamdi Kanu be that terrorist where they claim, why Nnamdi Kanu trial long like that? 10 years. 10 years in trial. You no go ask yourself question. But I don't say they get other grand something where they won't try to. But they just do and say they're shutting a mass in Africa door, make your door and everywhere just lock up. I don't say you get where they go. Why the guy can't run for 10 years like that? It's just saying really do them. If I don't jail at 10 or execute at 10 because yes, if I don't want to take because now Igbo man be and they don't really like Igbo man. And to say you really terrorize where they talk say you don't terrorize everywhere. Therefore don't buy up tete. See, I don't make una dey open her here because una don't know where they go on. This Nigerian government are very evil and they are so desperate. They can do and undo to make sure say anybody wey wan come their way, they go eliminate you. Because say now because we dey their way, if they block their way, now why they don dey find way to come make am look and say Nnamdi Kanu na terrorist. They come dey send this stupid animal Ijele. This one wey dey up here. Come dey send abeg go dey terrorize me, come tag them as IPOB. Okay, ask yourself question. Tiger Base, Imo State abi na Owerri. Tiger Base police station. Them say go pack people finish. They go tag them as IPOB. One thing na only happen dey tag them. They don dey find way to make am look like say Nnamdi Kanu na terrorist. Igbo people are terrorists. When I open a year.
So na ndị melo announce celebrate kwuo na
gentle.
Yes, na gentle anagonat na osnobu dike nyaputakwa ọzọ even in Jamaica, and then suddenly just like Christ gentle resurrected and then resurfaced just like in Jamaica. What happened? Ka ihe mecha find out.
O wee bụrụ na politicians onwe mgba eti serious operation no there. Ndị army 34 artillery would have gotten gentle. Now, ụfọdụ ndị bịa meet some people na government house Imo State. I'm sure it's not the governor. You know what I mean? Nah, they will solve the issue. Nah, they boo gentle. Nah, they have a plan. And the Magona government cannot be found to be a party to anything that violates the international law on use of chemical or biological agents.
Okay.
People, you know what I mean?
Okay.
Then they quote that those people did the thing. Now, not knowing Nandina plan that thing and they quote gentle. I when I plan that thing. One in that according to the report I got, the Imo State government is where go. Na ga-eji mee the thing nka finally Gentle bịa release the voice note odo na mụ amekwa video mgbe agwa na voice note a fake na onwe ihe na-eme onye ana ya dị too curated to be true ka Gentle ị asị m na ọ na-anwụ anwụ ji mention no date ụbọchị ọ na-eme voice note onye na-anwụ anwụ adịghị mention date and onwe obere nwa na-ekwu okwu na background that place obere nwa adịghị obere nwa nọrọ ebe okenye na-anwụ so the fan mana ozi na anọgidezi one day fuzie na ndị army headquarters ọ bụkwa 34 artillery obinze just nye report then mụ akpọ my contact na within the army information space see how sure is this or see yes na the signal came and imago ebe for some a signal from army you believe no eziokwu although na enwekwe my doubt based on the 34 artillery kwesị ibu ụzọ may announce and they themselves or somebody na 34 artillery or say he is not aware of it but this is the report they got ebe ndị amị nọ n'Imo State ka ezi o ji buzie ndị Abuja this day message that video myself the next day 2 days later ka somebody kpọọ m na-asị m na Gentle nọ na agba ọbụ n'Ọkigwe nsị a nọsị gịnị even onwe one guy na-akpọ ebe ka odike he also called me and told me that na Gentle anwụbe ọkwa then the other DSS guy ọ nọ n'ime na wee kpọọ m gwa m na ụmụ ebe these people nọ na onwe ọkwa onye nwụrụ that I shouldn't listen to these people mụ agbachizie nkịtị up until the time ha wee pụtazie although na m just mechie ọnụ ka hapụ.
I want to make healthy living a culture in our society. The time to make exercise, you sweat. That sweat is very important. Ibana garden, bela akwụkwọ nri sie nri, very natural food. Or if your body need it, just me abuna dey to chukwusike.
You said that Gentle also played along,
Of course.
to actually give the notion that he died.
The people that planned that thing and collected that money from the Imo State government, all of them their hands are in it. Then I later started getting information that Gentle works with their local government chairwoman. Yes. And I want to believe it because when I started talking about Gentle again, some people wrote to me and said that I should leave them in Okigwe. That is their thing, that they want to solve it the way they want it, that they want peace. So peace dear. If you people from Okigwe want to leave Gentle, how about the people who killed their family members? Even the army couple. So what do you want them to do? They should just forget the whole thing, and because you people and Gentle have made peace. Then I began to realize how deep the conspiracy was, and I was determined to know how far and who were involved. So after all the investigation, I realized that even, they were even saying that the Imo State governor gave Gentle amnesty. That's a lie. That's falsehood. Nothing could be further than the truth. They did not give him any amnesty. It is those people. And that nonsense they did then was what abridged that operation that would have taken him out. Because he wouldn't have escaped then. But I guarantee you very soon, he will receive it.
Oh, no, Bodokita.
Yes. Oh, no, Okigwe there. This is in Okigwe.
Really?
Yes.
Man, I don't think that Nigerian army has ever even come out to acknowledge that he's alive after this one.
No, they don't need to acknowledge that he's alive. But
because I started seeing some people saying whether it's AI, whether
AI.
Why is the leaf around him not moving? How is this?
For
that, so that I think he's reporting from Southern
no, be only Southern Cameroon. Gentle, Gentle, see outside of Okigwe Apo. The only place where I know this borrowed time, the only place where I know is that Okigwe.
Borrowed time, right?
Yes. He's living on borrowed time and he knows it.
What did that guy do?
Gentle.
Yes.
What didn't he do? Onye Kabu Mwado, all those commanders, even Butuzo is not as bloody as Gentle. Not even Zuma. You know how many of those their boys, who soldiers or Babu, personally. How many of their few soldiers? Ogbagbo. The guy called the evil on a member. Or he bombarded Nando or many. Only one guy OGG 3 months to serve. That guy was an evil guy and also from his family. In this nonsense. Many families na bear. Full family like this. Only the other guy so na achieve with the security in their place. So they there every single person except that guy's brother and one other person. In a new story from Okigwena, they will tell you, and many of their political leaders, their hands are in it. Can you imagine their senator can know peace talk that they came to with Obono Gentle Ndibe to discuss peace talk with Gentle Norway? Can you imagine?
What's the role of the government here near Megase? Because I see you thanking Soludo the other time, and then you are asking him to question some people and everything. What's the role of the government in here near Megase and here now, and how they are trying to help the security? What's the role of the government?
The problem is that many of our governors are slaves to the people around them without knowing. Because they are not giving them the right information. Like I said, some people actually at this thing end there because some of them are just on security issues, attention governor, of which the security issue they solve, they have nothing else to offer to the governor. So on the name like this, I na halfway here, she said that na 1 million. Na funyekwe the oko here. And Adam Shaw, na ndi ami anua si Onitsha. That Onitsha cantonment. Any deep which many people did any this switch here.
Abi?
Yes. Adam Shaw, I'm convinced many of them are compromised. Because how could you say Oga na chunda no sui tokwa? The place and may escape between two army FOBs. And people from Osumo who have been telling me, Osumo, Iseke, Lilu, they've been telling me, Nandami and Afu, these boys can hang. The Semedi is a for Hana Ebu Madu, Neben Damin on a Semedi is neighbors in the Madu top of him. So what's going on? The governor need the two governors, Imo and Anambra, they need a serious 2-state meeting that would, they will have to streamline their programs. If these people can function effectively across 2 states, why can't the 2 governors? Anambra State were very good bulldozers, especially the protected ones. But Imo State military the better than the operation. So even this accident happened 2 days ago wouldn't have happened about Imo State. That's it. Like our own, we've not recorded a single casualty. We've not lost a single soul.
Wow.
So we need the coordination between both states. And I'm side and I'm side that cage them. He had how difficult. Although difficulty, and or just that, am I or what? If not, but boy say I no go.
Okay.
So my friends alone. Ka na agwa ndị ba jeru ma abụghị ozi. Ọ ka mma iji aka gị mee ya. Because onye amị na-eji, many of them were their families, so they are thinking about them. And ọrụ mmadụ na-arụ dị iche na ọrụ mmadụ na-arụrụ onwe ya. So I kwesịrị ịma ka esi mee empower so many guys from many communities, especially Aburu indigenes, because they know all their, like Ibia na Osumogu, everybody knows that it's Kalistu Socha. In Asia, it's Alowere. And these are the people, Ham of Man.
And they are indigenous of that town.
Yes. Yes. So these people, if you arm them, abụọ mgbe ụwa kịta akarịgo mgbe a na-asị oh we don't want proliferation of arms. Nwanne proliferation of arms adịgo bụ na ọ dịgo. So ị ga-need ime ikikwe sure na ọ dịkwa in the hands of good people. Most of all these guys bụ just economic robbers. They are not ideologically driven. That's why halfway egbe ha gbafuo. I can type now na onye ọbụla amụrụ ọfụma pụta na Roma Johnson chere m egwu ama nkwe anybody pụta because ọ chọghị enwu. Mana ọ bụrụ people they are ideologically driven if you ọbịa ebe asị unu ka anwa ya mana ndị a bụ ndị egwu. So why do you need a pet? I mago somebody like Allen Onyema put on a call. Nah, amnesty. How do you do amnesty without disarmament? You cannot be na kuku na aroro for no. How? Ndị gbara ụlọ mmadụ ọkụ. Destroy their property in the mud. You can't be porn on this type of rubbish.
Yeah. Allen said that?
Yes. Ask anybody from Isika and Mbosi. Even when the video on a one befa, nobody should talk to them about this. What? Ndị rụrụ ana niile ka imepere ọnụ na-asị gịnị? Why? Si na gịnị na-emezi? A na-arụrụ onye nwe ụlọ. Ị na-emedo onye encourage ka o mee mmụọ ka ọ kwụsị? I need to punish you or you will always get whatever you encourage. If you encourage evil, you will get more evil. If you encourage goodness and righteousness, you get more righteousness. And how do you encourage righteousness? Simple. Many of these people, when they are hang.
Semo for semo?
Yes.
Gare for gare? Otolo for otolo.
Ozubo. You notice what many of us ọbụ na ọbụghọ ka anyị na-afụ ife na-eme ndị ori data mgbe anyị na-eto even at least mgbe anyị ka pempe anyị na-anụ mgbe a na-eji agbagbu ndị ori na this thing. Many of us aka abụ armed robbers. Ọbụ na ama yes na you need to encourage people to do good and that encouragement will come in form of punishing any evil person mere ya ọjọọ. Mana ị nọ na situation aka na-ekwu ka unu a ga-arụrụ onye gbara ụlọ mmadụ ọkụ gburu mmadụ abịa na-asị gị ma na Nigeria marginalize onye nke gburu egbu onye nwa bụ Nigeria mere gị ihe ọjọọ nwa. Ịma na aka na-ekwu okwu ụlọ ndị big men agbara ọkụ ị ga-afụcha sọm ụlọ o doro gị na this family na onweghị ihe didie ụmụ ụlọ anụ ha na-eji I shape or L shape arụ mana ndị nwe ya agbafugo ị na-asị na onye nwekwa ihe a na-ama na-eji life ya before this thing eme ka ebe ọ dị gị ka onye ọ nọ na even na his own village ọ rụtagwughị ezigbo ụlọ ọkịta ọ gbara ọsọ ka ọ ga-enweta ezigbo ụlọ. Ama m ebe our feelings as human beings na you don't like nke a kacha agba m anya mmiri ịnọ efu na this person is managing his life before this. Onye o mere unu gịnị? Ka ihe onye amị like what is this person saying? Na Nnamdi Kanu decide ịbụ a criminal. Na-achụ anyway ka na-enegodo anya. Daalụ.
Ijele ka the current situation on ground maka na enwere a lot of news anọgide asị na ndị Lilu na jekpocha ndị Osimowa na ndị Seka na that life has returned. Mana some persons that have encountered some of these towns na that nothing has returned.
Ihe efume na December. That in efume na December, most of Umudia went back to their places. And some of the politicians na arụrụ ọrụ and other people, because of politicians, some businessmen. Onye ya na ibe ya n'enu ka m nye gị one story. Ejem na Amsterdam 2023 September. Enwe ebe a nọ n'Ogiri restaurant. Enwe some guys ụmụazị na nka ka hapụ ịkpọ afọ onye nke ọzọ to avoid ya. Ọ na-akọrọ m akọ. Without me knowing anything on just ya. Ka ife o ji abụ afọ unu nata n'obodo. onye nọ na Naijiria nọ n'ime ọfịa ma na afịa gị nata akpọ gị sị gị na ihe eweta ego onarịa asị na biko na meji n'nwayọ eji n'ike ekwu ya na enwasef ka kwụpụrụ 5 million gosi gị na ndị a na-anọ n'obodo a na-akpọsọ ọ bụghị ọsọ politishan ọ ma ndị gị na ha nọcha n'obodo oyibo ị na-anata agwa ndị echebiri gị so many of them nata n'ụlọ and some of them enyego ụmụazị ego Christmas ka onye ọbụla pipe ọlụ ọ ya bụ ihe niile efu ume na December. The real clean up bụ nke a na-eme na now the problem bụ how long are we going to sustain it? Many of them agbago ọsọ and ịma the most vital thing when you are fighting an armed gang bụ iji na-efa operational base. Ọ dịghị izi na-ebugharị egbe up and down. Boss na onye ahụ enweghị base ọ ya dị izi inwudo. So etu anụ all these camps niile we now kind of clear the first stage of the operation. Ndị nke gbara ọsọ will be on the run. So if we go now with police action, they will be easily picked up like snails.
My people, when I don't hear them as it dey happen, may you share this video, drop your own opinion inside comment section. That way, do your man we want to Ijele, tell him in the same and tag him for this video.